In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Jotform to your GoDaddy website. To begin, open your Jotform account in one tab and your GoDaddy dashboard in another. Inside your GoDaddy dashboard, you will see your websites listed on the right side of the screen. Click on Edit Website for the site where you want to add your Jotform. From the menu on the right side of your screen, select the page where you want to place the form. For example, since I only have one page in this free version, I will be adding my form at the bottom of the page. Once you are in the desired section of the page, hover your mouse over the plus icon and you will see the option to Add Section. Click on it, then in the search bar type HTML. Select the Custom HTML code box option and it will be added to your page. Now go back to Jotform, hover over the form you want to embed and click on Edit Form. From the top menu, click on Publish, then select Embed from the options on the left-hand side. Choose iframe and copy the provided code. Return to your GoDaddy editor, scroll down in the right-hand menu and paste the code into the custom code box. Once you paste it, your form will appear on the page. By default, it will display the full form. However, if you would like to adjust the section height so the form appears within a scrollable frame, you can customize the height settings. After finalizing adjustments, click on Done on the right-hand side, and then click on Publish. Open your website in a new tab, refresh the page, and scroll to the section where you embedded the form. As you can see, the Jotform is now visible and functional. Users can fill out the fields one by one, and their submissions will be sent directly to your Jotform account. And this is how you can add Jotform to a GoDaddy website.